Hi, it's Chris German from The Apartment Dealer, and I just listed a 3-property portfolio here in the cities of Southgate and Huntington Park. Now, you may have already seen the video on the 4-unit, you may have already seen the video on the 7-unit. For today's video, we're discussing the 8-unit property here in the city of Huntington Park. Now, this property is priced at $1,495,000. That is price to sell. The property is comprised of 2 individual structures, single story on a corner lot. The first structure is a duplex style structure, which consists of 2 one-bedroom, 1-bath units. And then further down the lot, you have a structure which consists of 6 units, 4 of which are 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and then you have 2 studio units. The units themselves are individually metered for electricity and gas. Owner pays water and trash. There's about a 35% upside in rental income here. So the current rental rates are conservative for the area, but with much upside for the next investor. Additionally, the tenants enjoy amenities such as gated entry, gated secure entry, as well as an on-site laundry facility. So if you're looking to own a multifamily investment property that's, number one, it's priced well, has upside, future upswing in terms of rental rates in a geographic area that has always proven to have strong rental demand, this may be the right property for you. Send me a message here, give me a call, and who knows, maybe this will be the next one for your portfolio.